Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Mark Paragas. Another day, another gastos. And for today's video guys, for a change, tayo ay nag-road trip, nag-joyride tayo guys, going here. And bakit nga ba ako nandito? Bakit nga ba kami nandito? So anyway, ang dami kasi guys nare-request na pumunta kami dito. So syempre without further ado, tayo ay nasa Tagaytay. And yes, Tagaytay. So again guys, marami kasi nagre-request na bumalik naman tayo dito para magkaroon ng vlog about mga accommodation na pwede natin pag-stayan. So for the entire vlogging experience ko guys, I think, if I'm not mistaken, once pa lang ata or isa pa lang yung vlog natin dito sa Tagaytay, which is yung nagstay tayo sa Taal Vista Hotel. That was last year pa. So ngayon, syempre, since marami nagre-request sa inyo, ito na. So we're going to stay here for 3 days and 2 nights guys. But hindi lang isang hotel, kundi dalawang hotel ang tutuluyan natin for more options. Lalo na kung babala kayong pumunta dito, mga OFW dyan, mga kababayan natin sa ibang bansa na magbabakasyon sa Pilipinas. For sure, ang unang-una nyong gustong puntahan is Tagaytay. So ayan, nandito tayo. And then we're gonna be staying 2 different hotels para may options kayo kung magustuhan nyo ito or yung hotel natin tomorrow. Then it's up to you guys, or go with Taal Vista since meron na akong video about it. I'll just post the link again guys sa comment section or sa description para naman isang click nyo lang, mapapanood nyo na ulit yung ating Taal Vista vlog. By the way guys, Tagaytay is a 1.5 to 2 hours ride all the way from Quezon City. Good thing meron ng Skyway, kaya mas bumilis ang biyahe and no need to pass the EDSA. Nag-Skyway kami and took the Mamplasan exit, tapos nag-Calax Tollway hanggang makarating sa Tagaytay. Ayan, as you can see, nasa room na tayo guys. And syempre, unahin na natin ang room tour. So tomorrow, meron tayong breakfast buffet. So let me just set your expectation. Meron tayong breakfast buffet and of course, hotel tour. And then, night view ng hotel. So yun yung mga expect nyo. Unahin muna natin ang room tour. And by the way guys, baka manibago kayo. Nagsasalamin na pala ako, ayan. Dahil medyo lumalabo ang ating mata kakaharap sa computer. So anyway, so dito muna tayo sa pinto. Mabilis lang to guys kasi alam mo, kabisado nyo na kung paano ako mag-room tour. So ito ang ating room. We are located on the 6th floor. Ang room natin is 608. So kung nagustuhan nyo to, then you might request the room number 608. And this is a family room guys with 1 queen size bed and 1 single bed. But I'm gonna show you later on. Hinihinga. So anyway, again, you need to familiarize yourselves kapag mag-i-stay kayo sa mga hotels, inn, hostel, motel, apartment, Airbnb, emergency evacuation plan. Okay? In case of any emergency, at least alam nyo kung saan kayo pupunta. So this is our door. And keycard na siya. Tapos yung mga switches. And then, sa right ko, ang ating toilet and bath. But before that, dito muna tayo sa left natin, ang cabinet. Sliding door siya guys. Ayan. Dito sa side na to, space for your clothes, hanger, empty space here. Then on the other side, ito naman, may safety deposit box, empty drawer. Ayan. May fire extinguisher. For sure naman, in case of emergency or in case of there's a fire, alam nyo kung paano gamitin. Another empty space here. And then, katabi lang niya ang minibar natin. So, may space, pwede yan. Tapos may minibar, bottled water, may kettle, may glass, may mugs, may tea, coffee, creamer, and sugar. And at the bottom, we have the fridge, empty. So, ayan. O, di ba mabilisan lang? So, and then on this side, you have the space here, area where you can put your luggage or bags, etc. Okay, so now, katapat ng cabinet is the toilet and bath. So let's go. So we have here the vanity mirror and the vanity sink. Ayan, so malakas ng tubig. Tapos may complimentary dental kit, soap, shampoo, conditioner. May glass kung mag-toothbrush kayo, gusto nyo ng water sa faucet. 3 tawel, hand towel, and then ang ating toilet. So by the way guys, tip ko lang, if ever mag-i-stay kayo sa isang hotel, make sure na naka-close yung toilet bowl ninyo, yung cover. Tapos before you open it, flush nyo muna. Kasi syempre namumuo yung mga germs, mga bacteria bago nyo gamitin. Okay, kahit na ang ganda namang flush. And maganda dito, merong bidet. 10 out of 10 bidet. Pag na-earn na. If you need any assistance, may phone dito. Then may tissue, may trash bin, switches, and then ang ating shower. So ito yan. Toilet, and then shower. Dito sa shower area namin guys, meron tayong rain head shower, may portable handled shower, hot and cold shower, may libre na rin bath gel, and shampoo with conditioner. So anyway, that's it for the toilet and bath. Sobrang linis niya guys. As in yan, no? Malinis. And hindi nga lang siya kalakihan, pero okay na. Close natin yung door kasi yung lamig galing sa aircon lumalabas. So anyway, we have the TV here. In fairness guys, wala laking TV. I think this is 55 inches TV. Working table, may chair. Kung gusto nyo mag-work from home, I haven't tried their Wi-Fi, so siguro tomorrow na yon magre-review tayo kung mabilis yung Wi-Fi nila. And then, meron ditong couch with a side table. Tapos may air purifier. In fairness, mahal yan guys, diba? So anyway, the bed. So we have the queen size bed and the single bed. So this room guys, they call it family room. Tama ba? Wait lang. Baka nag-i-invento na naman ako. Wait. Ayan guys, so this room, they called it deluxe family room with one queen size bed and one single bed. So meron natin breakfast guys, so bukas magkakaroon tayo ng breakfast buffet. And then, syempre libreng parking, libreng wifi, libre na yung mga amenities. Normally naman kapag mag-i-stay kayo sa isang hotel, kasama na yung mga amenities and facilities, and ang breakfast lang naman ang optional. Pero yung kinuha natin may breakfast para naman may maipakita ko sa inyong breakfast buffet. So anyway, so we are going for an overnight stay here sa hotel. And by the way, oh my god, hindi ko pa nasasabi ko anong pangalan ng hotel. So welcome guys to Hotel Casiana. Ayan, Hotel Casiana. Nakuha ko tong room na to guys for overnight, amounting to 4,500. Good for 2 adults and libre na yung bata. As long as they're gonna be using an existing bed. I'm not sure lang sa breakfast kung libre din sila. Pero we'll see tomorrow. So, this is it. Let's have a 360 view ng ating room. Ayan. Okay. And syempre, aside from that, ang ating view. Siguro, masasabi kong mountain view. Last but not the least, ang ating balcony with an amazing view of the mountains. Hindi lang siya kita yung Taal Volcano guys, pero partial ng Taal Lake nakikita natin. So, mountains. Ayan. Hep char. So, ayun. Saan ko pa? Sobrang ganda. Mountain view. And itong lake view. Partial lake view. So, yung salamin ko nagiging ano siya. Nagiging shades. Yung lens niya kapag kasi sinaga ng araw. So ayun si Diana, libreng parking. Ayun si Diana, bagong ligo. Alright guys, so that's it for the room tour. And syempre expect nyo tomorrow yun na yung ating review and feedback about our stay.
8:01 p.m.
Ito nga pala guys yung itsura ng hotel sa gabi. So don't mind the name ng hotel na pundi lang yung ilaw. For sure mahirap magpalit niyan. So anyway, andito kami sa labas ng hotel para mag-take out ng food. And we have decided na sa hotel room na lang kumain. Dito sa labas kung saan ako kumukuha ng video ay may bulaluhan at tapsilog na kainan. Nag-order kami ng bulalo, pansit, pork silog at tapsilog. And this kainan guys ay open 24 hours. So I guess hindi yun na magiging problema kung gusto nyo kumain ng gabi or abutin kayo ng madaling araw. Masarap in fairness yung bulalo, so yung pansit, and pwede na rin sa pork silog and tapsilog. Laman tiyan din.
The next day.
Good morning guys! Good morning, good morning. Kagigising lang natin. And we are still here in Hotel Kashana, Tagaytay. So we are going to experience their hotel. So we are going to experience their breakfast buffet in a few. And also, syempre, hindi pwedeng wala tayong hotel tour. Kasi kahapon nag-room tour lang tayo kahapon. Then, napakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng hotel sa gabi. Though sa labas lang. Then now, it's time for our hotel tour and the breakfast buffet experience. So by the way guys, while I'm exploring the hotel, I just found out na meron palang mga unit dito na binibenta. Yung tinatawag nilang Hotel Kashana Residences. So meron dito guys, sa mga floor. Parang condo hotel ang peg nila. Tapos, sa mga kababayan natin dyan, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga brochure para naman if ever magustuhan nyo tapos uuwi kayo ng Pilipinas, meron kayong bakasyunan or meron kayong rest house, baka makonsider nyo itong Hotel Kashana. So anyway, the location itself guys is, I think in 1 minute, nasa Sky Ranch Tagaytay na kayo. Nakatabi ng Taal Vista Hotel. So itong way guys is papunta ng Nasugbu, papunta ng Kalerwega. And we have the mountain view over here. Tapos over there, we have the partial view of Taal Lake. So yun, tapos ang laki ng parking lot nila. Pero syempre, we're gonna talk more about that. Yung mga review natin, mga experience natin, and the service, and so on. So for now, let's head to their ground floor para mag-breakfast buffet. And after breakfast buffet, we are going to do the hotel tour. Alright, see you guys later. We have the egg, we have the fried chicken, we have the adobong baboy, and the longganisa. Say hi.
Look at my food.
This is cereals for Sean.
Dito ka kasi di ba ito sasabihin? Mamaya, walang magagawa si Mama. So, please, nakita ko, feeling ko wala sila. Kasi either way, feeling ang authorization. Kaya buti na lang ba?
A few moments later.
So we're done with the breakfast guys, and sakto lang, limited yung choices, pero okay na rin for breakfast, not bad. May adobo, may fried chicken, may fried rice, may salad, may egg station, may coffee, may breads, may pastries, mayroong fruits. Ayan, basic laman tiyan.
footsteps of a child. It's the joy of your great-grandmother's smile. We came a long way, but we ain't slowing down. We got a strong pace, no, we ain't losing ground. We won't give up and we won't turn around. Look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, I'll keep running until I discover it. I know I've got I know I've got can't be wasting my time. You make friends all along the way to break bread on another day. Always there to give you advice, help you find the wrong from the right, even when you're not in.
Hello guys, we are back. So we are done with the breakfast buffet and the hotel tour. We are done as well sa room tour natin kahapon. So now, let's do an honest feedback and review about our stay here sa Hotel Kasiana, Tagaytay. So first guys, let me give you the details of the room rates and room categories na ino-offer dito sa Hotel Kasiana. So magbe-base tayo guys for an overnight stay. Sabihin na natin Saturday and Sunday kasi usually naman yung mga tao is gumagala talaga or nagagala kapag weekend, like mga weekend getaway. So why not, di ba? Saturday and Sunday overnight stay through Agoda. Siguro mga 1 month ahead. So Hotel Kasiana, Tagaytay. So meron sila guys, deluxe twin room, 2 single beds yon, amounting to 4,852 per night with breakfast. And then aside from doon, meron silang deluxe king, which is a one queen bed. So meron silang deluxe king, 1 king bed, amounting to 5,016 for the overnight stay, breakfast with breakfast buffet. Next is they have deluxe family room, katulad ng room namin, with 1 queen bed and 1 single bed with breakfast included, amounting to 5,793 pesos per night. And this one guys can be good for 2 or good for 3 adults, but if you're gonna stay here like 2 adults and 2 kids, as long as your kids will be staying and using the bed, the same bed, then okay lang. Pero pag magre-request kayo ng extra bed, then there will be a charge, of course. They also have 2 bedroom, 2 room suite. That's 9,246 pesos. 1 single bed and 1 king bed. They also have the executive suite guys. 1 single bed, 1 queen bed, amounting to 12,503 pesos. Ang dami palang rooms dito. Ngayon ko lang siya na-check. So meron silang executive suite, 1 single bed, 1 double bed, 1 queen bed, amounting to 14,808 pesos. Good for 5 adults. Diba? So bali guys, dalawa pa lang yung version ng executive suite nila. Yung isang executive suite na may 1 single bed and 1 queen bed with breakfast buffet, good for 3 adults, amounting to 12,503 pesos. Yung isa namang executive suite nila na 1 single bed, 1 double bed, 1 queen bed, mountain view, good for 5 adults, breakfast included, amounting to 14,808 pesos. Actually, mura na siya. Lalo na kung 5 adults kayo, maghahati-hati sa 14,000. O kaya di naman yung 3 adults na maghahati-hati sa 13,000. Parang pwedeng-pwede na. And sabi ko nga kanina guys, si Hotel Kasiana meron din palang mga binibentang unit dito with ito pala. Yan. Ayan guys, ito yung mga unit. May studio unit, may 2-bedroom unit, at saka may 3-bedroom unit. So if you're interested, I'm just going to post it here sa aking vlog para naman may idea kayo. And if you're interested guys, ito yung contact number, ilalagay ko na lang din. So ito yung Hotel Kasiana Residences, Tagaytay. So di ba, lalo yung mga kapamilya natin dyan, na OFW, mga kababayan natin dyan na gusto nyo rest house or bakasyonan kapag uwi kayo ng Pilipinas, for sure, karamihan sa inyo gustong mag-Tagaytay. Baka makonsider nyo, pero for sure mahal. Ayun lang naman. So ang review natin, the location, sobrang lapit lang nito guys, 1 minute lang ata siya drive going to Sky Ranch Tagaytay. Actually, maganda yung location kasi ito yung yung may paganon na nagwa one way pag weekend. Nasa dulo siya after ng mahogany. Pero parang hindi siya one-way ngayon. Two-way pa rin. So, not sure kung binago nila yung ganong policy nila sa Tagaytay na itong way na to magiging one-way. Baka maya-maya or baka hindi na nga. Kasi nagkakos ng traffic most of the time dito sa Tagaytay. And in fairness naman, parang ang onti lang naman umaakit ngayon sa Tagaytay. Siguro kasi sobrang init. Alam naman natin ng Tagaytay pinupuntahan pag mga December, January kasi nga sobrang lamig. At naabutan din namin dito dati. Pag pupunta kami ng mga January talaga at saka December at saka January, mahangin, sobrang malamig talaga. Tapos nagpa-fog pa siya. For the room, maganda yung room in fairness, the lightings, maganda siya pag nagba-vlog kayo. Tapos for the wifi, may mga times na napuputol pero may spot kasi sa loob ng room kung saan lang yung malakas yung connection. Pero okay naman, makakapagtrabaho kayo. Kunyari kung mga freelancer kayo, digital nomad, na gusto nyo mag-work from home while here in Tagaytay, pwede. Okay yung internet nila. Makakapagtrabaho naman kayo, makakapag-Zoom kayo, makakapag-Teams kayo, or kung ano pa yung ginagamit niyo. For the cleanliness, malinis in fairness, yung itsura ng hotel. Tapos, malaki yung space ng room. Pwede kang tumakbo-takbo. Tapos, meron pa, ang maganda dito guys, kasi sa mga rooms niyo may mga balcony na pwede kayong lumabas, mag-chill, habang tanaw niyo yung mountain view. But, hindi siya advisable na magstay kayo dito guys kapag gabi kasi ang mga gamo-gamo, ang mga insekto nandito, masakit mga gat. So, better mag-apply kayo ng off lotion kapag matutulog na kayo. Lalo kung may mga kids kayong kasama. Kasi baka may mga makapasok na insekto sa loob. At least, di ba, protected sila. Tapos yung parking space nila guys, hindi kayo mauubusan ng parking lot. Ayan o. Ang dami. Tapos, kung may sarili kayong unit dito, meron kayong sariling parking space doon sa likod. And then, meron silang swimming pool, meron silang gym, meron silang kids club or yung play area for your kids. Meron silang events place dito guys na merong carousel nasa likod. Meron silang cafe or coffee shop, meron silang restaurant, and then meron din ata silang mga mga function rooms or meeting rooms. Dito naman for the service and the staff. Most of the staff naman guys na nakakasalubong namin, numingiti at saka nag-greet, lalo na yung kanina sa ating hotel tour. In fairness pero yung kahapon guys, yung mga nakakasalubong namin na staff sa elevator, hindi nag-greet. Tapos pag sasakay ka, di ba normally yung mga staff, minsan kusa nilang tatanungin kung saan yung room or anong floor, pero dito guys, yung iba hindi. Tapos parang na-experience ko kahapon, sumakay ako, sinabi ko kung anong floor, ay dead ma. Dead ma lang. Pero anyway, siguro mga 2 tao lang yung ganon. Pero on the other hand naman, on the other side, okay naman, mababait naman yung mga staff kasi nakakapagtanong naman ako. And pag may request kayo, like extra pillow, extra bottled water, tawag lang kayo, mabilis naman. May times na kailangan nyo lang mag-follow up. Katulad ka pa, nag-follow up ako, baka nakalimutan. Pero nung nag-follow up naman ako, mabilis naman hinatid. Maganda siya guys, maganda yung location, maganda yung mga rooms, maganda yung hotel. Marirecommend ko siya actually. Kung gusto nyo mag-hotel, yung mga beds, pwede nyo pagdikitin. Kunyari kung magbubook kayo ng either 2 single beds or katulad ng family room na binook ko, queen size bed and a twin bed or single bed, pwede nyo pagdikitin para magkakatabi pa rin kayo. For sure, pag nandito ulit tayo sa Tagaytay, mako-consider natin ulit na magstay dito sa Hotel Krishana. Pero since nagba-vlog tayo, syempre kung babalik tayo dito sa Tagaytay, we are going to stay sa ibang hotel naman para may options kayo. So, after kasi ng ating Taal Vista Hotel vlog, after a year, ngayon lang ulit tayo nakabalik ng Tagaytay kasi nga most of the time, ang mga travel natin, either domestic, yung fly ka talaga, and international. So ngayon, nagkaroon tayo ng chance mag-road trip going here sa Tagaytay. And later on, magche-check out na tayo. Tapos, we're going for another overnight stay sa Hotel Carlito. So watch out nyo na lang yung ating vlog, hotel tour, room tour, and then yung breakfast buffet. Meron din silang breakfast buffet. And then you can compare kung ano yung mas maganda sa dalawa. Pero for me, syempre wala pa rin tatalo sa Taal Vista Hotel kasi overall 5-star talaga siya. 5-star hotel, 5-star service. The view is amazing kasi Taal view talaga siya. So yun lang guys, and I hope nagustuhan nyo ang ating hotel tour, room tour, and the breakfast buffet experience dito sa Hotel Casiana. And again, if you're first time sa channel ko guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official. Hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs po natin. And if you have any suggestion or comments, feel free to comment below. And then, check natin kung ano yung mga pwede na pa natin puntahan. And alam niyo yan, mabilis akong sumagot sa mga katanungan ninyo. Kahit panoorin niyo yung ibang mga videos natin guys, kung may mga tanong kayo, just feel free to comment below. And then, yun lang. Travel lang ng travel guys. More travel, more fun. Enjoy life while young. And here's sa channel ko, let's discover the world one step at a time. See you on my next travel vlog. Mwah mwah chup chup!